everybody. I got a package today. Come and see what I'm unboxing. Hey S.A.C.C family, how you doing? Kim here. Come check out what I'm making today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share, and click the bell to get all the notifications. Thanks for tuning in. Hey everybody. How y'all doing? Thanks for tuning in to S.A.C.C, also known as Sweetarts Custom Creations. I have a little bit of an unboxing to do from my sis, Just Right Essentials. So I will be getting right into it. If y'all like the tunes that I'm playing, it's GLS. So I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for my girl. So y'all know Shandi Cheek, my sis. She has her Just Right Essentials website. And I will be putting all her information down below. So she has three YouTube channels. One for her pups, one for Just Right Essentials, and also Shandi Cheek, because you love hearing her music. I love hearing my sister sing. I wind up getting some stuff from her website. So let's get into it. Think this. This is a mobile phone video magnifier. So I don't know if you can see. You put the phone in the back and then it's almost like making a big screen. And here. Instructions on how to use it. So cool. Ooh, wow. Like you can see a big difference. Like, you see? Look my hand. I can't wait to use this. Like when you want to watch a movie or something on your phone, this right here is really useful. Really useful. It makes it like if you got a bigger screen. Can't wait to use this. Take everything that's in here out. So we got some Just Right Essential business cards. Okay. Most definitely. Our information will be down below in the description for Shandi Cheek. Alright. Oh, I got some freshener. It says Black Lives Matter. Shandi Cheek, and of course you gotta see my girl singing. See that? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Ooh, it smells divine, sis. Come through. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like perfume. Ooh, that is so good. I wish there was some smell of it. Just smell it. Smell it. Just smell it. Ooh, oh my goodness, come through. So this is like room spray, I guess. If your house smells funky, then you get some Shandi Cheek Black Lives Matter spray. I love it, sis. I love it, sis. Yes, this is what I ordered. I got extra stuff. I think that was I did win from her birthday. I wasn't expecting anything, but this is what I ordered. So Shandi has some special these are special incense. I always love having a household smell good. So you know, come by me, house smelling right. So I ordered, these are stackable. I've never seen these before. These are stackable incense. And I got all these different flavors. Hold on. Strawberry. Lavender. Jasmine. Vanilla, freesia, and rose. So let's try this. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to stack all of them. Let's try to. I don't have a lighter. Hold on. I gotta get a lighter. I don't have a lighter. Light these. Do y'all like the music that I'm playing? It is GLS album called Glistening. I will also have that information in the description below. It's very easy to open. Oh. Hold on. Oh, you can smell it already. That smells good. Rose smells really good. What's this one? Freesia. You want to smell? There you go. It smells really good. This one's vanilla. It smells very soft. The vanilla smells really soft. This light green one is called jasmine. Ooh, that smells good too. This is lavender. Ooh, I like lavender. I always like lavender. And then the last one, but not least, is strawberry. Ooh, strawberry smells really good. So let's see. Oh. Oh. From the bottom. I get it from the bottom. Oh. And I can just keep on going. One more. Oh, I'm trying to stack it. I'm trying. Oh. Trying to get it in on. Hold on. Hold on. All right, got it in. Look at that. See that? Stackable incense. Oh no. Oh no. Shandi Cheek's new. Just Right Essentials new. Right? Yes. Most definitely. Let me see. Let me get a lighter and I'll come right back. Hey. Oh, I end up getting a lighter. But I want to try. I want to try the lavender. Ooh. See that? It's already, oh, it's already lit. Sorry. Oh, that smells good. Yeah. Yeah, baby. That smells really nice. I like these. Ooh. And they come in these cute little packaging and these they're like diamonds. This is awesome. I gotta figure out where to stick it. Just hold that for a second. I don't have anything else to hold it with. Hold that for me. Y'all like this? Y'all can see this. My unboxing for this. This came from my other sister, Strength From Within. So y'all can check out the unboxing video for that. But this smells really good. This is lemongrass candle, soy-based candle. It smells awesome. So if you're interested in other soaps and lotions, hit up my girl, my other sister. Alright. This is awesome. I love it, sis. These are really good. I will be back. Ooh, that's the wrong one. I will be back on your site, my girl. This stuff smells really good. Ooh. Smells really, really good. She got some really good stuff over there. Self-defense items, masks, shirts, incense holders. As you can see, she sent me room spray, and the mobile phone magnifier. So she has all of these items and more over there. And it both smells good too. So most definitely all her information will be down below in the description. And if you like my sweater dress, I wound up making it on Crafter Star. We wind up having our new YouTube channel called Crafter Star. You can look it up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our old videos there. But also you can see the videos from my playlist right here on this channel, S.A.C.C. Sweet Arts Custom Creations YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching this unboxing of my sister, Shandi Cheek, Just Right Essentials. All her information, once again, will be down below. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.